Hello and welcome to Quick Fit series. Are you ready to target your love handles? I am. Today we are going to focus on our lower belly. So all the exercises that we are going to do today is going to be no equipment, no jumping at all. There will be a total of 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer. So what are we waiting for? Let's get going.
Climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight. That's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like,
Now switch.
when it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this.
Now switch. Nice work. You have just torched those pesky love handles and sculpted a stronger, leaner waistline. Keep it up and say goodbye to unwanted inches. Enjoy the whole process. Tomorrow is glutes and hamstrings day. We'll need one heavy dumbbell between 6 to 10 kgs and a resistance band if you have one. Otherwise, I'll be showing you body weight modifications as well. I'll take your leave now. See you tomorrow.